We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Pfister Ladera faucet. Somebody that box right there. So it is the this is straight out of Home Depot, and so that is the LF 048 LRCC. So it's the 4-inch center set lavatory faucet. So they're nice faucets, and they come with a pop-up drain. It's a 2-minute installation. Just one big nut on the bottom tightens up real good. So they were having trouble with leaking. They were working on their faucet, and as opposed to coming out and charging them, $150, $200 labor to do something, we picked up a new faucet. So total cost is $250 with a brand new faucet. So usually what happens, cartridges start leaking hot and cold. Well, now you have a brand new faucet. Cartridges you can replace these for life, and Pfister's a leading brand, so you register this product and you're going to have free parts for life on this faucet. So anyways, we got it connected. Faucet's running. We blew out first. You can see good flow. Pop-up drains installed. We did check up here where the cone washer meets the sink for leaking, also on the threads. That's the first sign you'll see. If there's a problem, you'll see water rolling out of the area, so everything looks dry. We did add an extension piece right here. We would have liked to have cleaned this up a little better. What you've got back in the wall, more than likely, is a cast iron T. It's a tap T that they still use in commercial construction, but they use one of these adapters. It's a male thread, and then it goes over to a tubular metal or tubular plastic. In this case, more than likely on a commercial job, tubular metal. Well, same thing as tubular plastic. That's what we use. These guys right here, tubular plastic material, and so the waste, looks like this whole bathroom has been remodeled. When they did remodel it, they didn't relocate the plumbing to match the new sink. So you can see the drain line is way over here, hot and cold, not a problem. But we did have to reuse one fitting in here. So that's existing. It's a short turn 90, which is fine. Water's going to drain out of there just fine. And then that band back there, we usually don't put those in. We usually put a stainless steel band in, but that's what you have when you're here. Behind that is a brass tubular stub out. So from that fitting that I just showed you, they take brass and they stub out. So the only way to change this is open up the wall and get that brass out of there, put something else in, come and repipe it. That's just lots of money. So we just reused your band, your 90, your P-trap, and gave you this extension because it was kind of in there at a pretty severe angle where it would connect right there. So just monitor this area. Once you get this dried up, you shouldn't have any trouble with leaking from the drain, from the trap, from your 90, from the band. All of it should be good. Brand new water supply lines. These are Fluid Master 3/8 by 1/2 inch IPS by 20-inch braided stainless steel supply lines. So hot and cold both replaced. Those are your shutoff valves. We didn't replace those because they're not dripping. So anyways, everything looks good here outside of that. This installation is done.